maltose. Conversion of maltose. Conversion of maltose into glucose. Conversion of maltose into glucose. What is the maltose formula? C12H22O11. When maltose upon hydrolysis, then what will get here? And what is the catalyst here? Maltase. Other enzymes only. Catalyst you are using. Maltase. Then what will you get? 2 moles of glucose will get. C6H12O6. 2 moles of glucose you will get. Yes, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Please note down these two examples. Instead of catalyst, they are using enzymes. This enzyme active here, catalyst. I think PCMB students will understand why means enzyme spot is there and the bio. VM Kartikeya. Please connect your mic, everyone. Otherwise, they will remove. Please note down. And one more thing, students. Please, many people still you didn't submit assignment 1 and 2. They are going to give today results. Then your wish again, sir. We are getting less score. We didn't submit like that. No one will give answer. No one will help you.
Sir, for assignment 2 also today is only last day for submission.
Speak loudly, Kirti.
For assignment 2 also today is only the last day for submission.
Submit. Last 2 days back I said at least 2 days before can complete like that I said. At least today or tomorrow morning by 10 o'clock you can submit. Why means here what happened means the coming to mark list part everything board only. Now if you are completed means what happened they will do valuation that marks again they will send the board. That papers again we will do valuation here again we will verification we will give. If you are giving late, what happened? We can't give within the time, correct? For your safety purpose, I am telling. Kaushik, are you there in line? Kaushik, yes, is there. And the second year renewal also. If anybody, if you didn't complete first year fees and second year admission, once can see, inform your parents. Today only, tomorrow only last date. If anything is there, once you come and meet the campus and principal sir is there, agent sir is there, even we also we are there, we will help you. That is complete and you can renewal, do it second year admission. Otherwise, they won't send your mark list and everything. All these things for your safety purpose, we are informing before only. Please take care of that. And yesterday, some people they didn't open only camera. Yes, completed student.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Completed, sir.
What is Anshul?
Yes, sir.
What is ammonia formula, Anshu? Ammonium, and one more thing. Everyone first you should complete CDF exam. Coming the Monday's exam is first CDF you should complete. After the competitive case or mains. What is ammonia formula, Anshu? Anybody?
NH3.
Tell me, ma.
NH3.
Very good. Yes. Next example, decomposition of urea. Decomposition of urea into ammonia. Yes. What is the urea formula here? NH2 CO NH2. Upon hydrolysis, what is the catalyst here? Urease. Then what will get here? What will get? 2 moles of ammonia and carbon dioxide. Yes. Is it clear? In our body, in stomach, pepsin enzyme convert into proteins. This is for competitive most important CET means pepsin enzyme converted into proteins and peptides. See now, trypsin converts into amino acids. One more chapter is there for you, organic chemistry, biomolecules. What are the carbohydrates, classifications of carbohydrates, glucose, fructose, structure, amino acids, essential acids, non-essential acids, their vitamins and everything. One chapter is there. There we will discuss. Next, one more, the conversion of milk into curd, lactobacilli enzyme. Please complete this one. Completed this one, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello, completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Next, find note down. In stomach, comma, the pepsin enzyme converts proteins into peptides. Proteins into peptide. Proteins into peptides. While in intestine, comma, the pancreatic trypsin trypsin converts proteins into amino acids. amino acids by hydrolysis. Next example, conversion of heading, conversion of
New heading, sir.
next heading, conversion of, example only, conversion of milk into curd, conversion of milk into curd, conversion of milk into curd. Right, it is an enzymatic, it is an enzymatic reaction, enzymatic reaction, ENZYMATIC, enzymatic reaction, brought about, BROUGH, brought about by lactobacilli, LACTO, lactobacilli, LACTO, BACILLI, lactobacilli, enzyme present in curd, Yes, completed, students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Complete, student, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Please,
sir.
remaining people also respond, students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, mechanism of enzyme catalysis. Mechanism of enzyme catalysis. Mechanism of enzyme catalysis. See here. Here whatever means, like enzyme. Listen, students, 1 second. In general reaction, you will take, for example, A plus B gives rise to C plus D. Reactants and products. How you are getting this C plus D like mechanism will be there. In any reactions, mechanism will be there. But here, instead of reactant catalyst, what they are taking means here enzymes they are taking. In this enzyme part, that is also E. E means enzyme plus substrate. E means what? Enzyme and substrate or substrate. Then what will get again? Enzyme or product will get. Here E plus S gives us E plus enzyme, substrate, enzyme, product. Yes, but here this enzymes and substrate key and log system. Mechanism Instead of enzyme, they are taking like key and substrate. What are the mechanism? We'll see. Two steps is there here. Okay, see here. Keep main heading mechanism of enzyme catalysis. First reaction down. Enzyme plus E means what? Enzyme plus S. Enzyme plus S means substrate. Gives rise to intermediate product. What will give? ES. This is intermediate product. Then what happened? After some time we will get pure product. E plus P. E means enzyme. P means product. Yes. Now here they are taking enzyme.
Sir, what is it written, sir? E plus S gives.
This is intermediate. Yes, listen 1 second, students here. Hello. When enzymes, generally what happen? Chemical reactions, reactants plus catalyst, we get product. When enzyme plus substrate, hello. This enzyme is catalyst in, hello students.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Enzyme is catalyst, substrate is reactant. Then what will you get? Intermediate product. After that, you will get enzymes and products. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please listen, everyone.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
See now what happened? Enzyme and substrate. Enzyme is catalyst. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enzyme is catalyst. Whatever you are taking, the substrate is reactant. These two will give enzyme catalyst, enzyme substrate complex, intermediate. Yes. Now what happens? After sometimes you will get enzyme, T system, and products. And you will get products. Is it clear?
Yes,
Please
sir.
note down.
Yes, sir.
Note down, note down. Yes, completed, student.
So 1 minute.
Yes, completed or not? Hello? Hello, students.
1 minute.
Students, response students, completed or not? Remaining people.
Sir, one minute, sir.
1
Yeah,
minute.
yeah. Please,
Sir, done.
please complete.
Completed, sir.
Girls, not on downside. Girls. The engine catalyze. Engine catalyze. Engine catalyze. Reaction may be engine catalyzed. Reaction may be consider to proceed in two steps. Step one, binding of engine. Binding of engine to substrate. To form an activated complex. Activated complex. Engine plus substrate uses to engine substrate. Step 2. Decomposition of the activated complex. Activated complex Decomposition of the activated complex to form product. To form product. What is the products? An enzyme substrate to test enzyme plus product. Yes. Students, hello.
Yes, sir.
Completed, my everyone?
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Tell me, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Coming test exam is a unit test. Hello. In this
Yes, sir.
unit test exam, already I prepared the questions, important questions, chapter wise, according to weight. Chemical kinetics, how many of you completed? Manasa.
What, sir?
Chemical kinetics, how many of you completed? Chemical kinetics chapter, how many of you completed? Manasa G. Manasa. Hello. Manasa. Okay. How many of you completed, ma? Chemical kinetic chapter, whatever important question, that questions completed or not? Hello.
Sir, today you'll send the important questions, sir, chapter wise.
Yes, yes, I will send.
Sir, for CBSE also we can do that.
CBS also separate questions I will send.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Manasa. Manasa. Okay. Chemical kinetics chapter completed or not?
Completed.
How
Completed.
many of you completed? Response, students. According to that, I will plan. Chemical kinetics chapter completed or not? Sonali, Jayant, Abhinay Sri, Ritisha, respond. Dikshit Reddy, Maitri, Nitin, Amit, Anshul, Harshit, Dhanush, Likita, Likita,
Yes, sir.
yeah, completed or not?
Completed, sir.
The solution chapter on electrochemistry.
The second one completed. The first one I should do, sir.
Okay. Still anybody is there like that? Kausik, yes.
That I have to
Kausik.
complete chemical kinematics.
Okay. Kaushik, yes. Kausik, yes. Kausik, respond. Trisha,
Yes, sir.
completed, ma?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Gaurish,
Sir,
Praveen?
sir, completed, sir.
Inchira? Inchira?
Yes, sir.
Completed, ma?
Sir, I completed solutions.
Solution, good. Electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, pending is there.
Yes, sir.
Please complete today. We will send that impact questions also.
Fine, sir.
And Shirisha, good. Shirisha, Pavitra, Trupti,
Yes.
Harshit, Rohit, Karthik, Nikhil, Vinay Kumar, Yashwant Gowda, Shakradhar Reddy, G. Sundar.
Yes, sir.
Is completed or not?
Solutions are finished, sir.
While you are attending classes, mic be active.
Yes, sir.
Mute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From outside disturbance yesterday, we know.
Okay,
Be
sir.
careful. Jayant. Sonali. Abhinay Sri.
Yes, sir.
Completed, ma?
Yes, sir. 2 chapters did. Chemical kinetics I have to do.
Ritisha. Nitin M. Likhit K.
Yes, sir.
Completed or not?
Sir, solutions and chemical kinematics are completed.
Okay. Electrochemistry complete.
Yes, sir.
Jitin.
Yes, sir.
Completed or not?
2 chapters, sir.
G1. 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 Spam. Yashwant. Chakradhar Reddy. Vinay Kumar. Likhit HR. Harshavardhan.
Yes, sir.
Completed or not?
Yes, sir. Solutions, sir.
TG Tarun Kumar.
Sir, chemical kinetics I want to complete, sir.
Trupti.
Yes, sir.
How many days, ma? We are calling. Now you are responding today.
I responded.